Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to turn your cell phone into arrowheads. So first thing you're going to want to do is take off the back, take the battery out, and then you're going to want to take all the screws out of the outside layer here, and you should be able to pull the second layer off. Then you should be able to just pry this circuit board right here from the front of the phone. I have a nice little LCD screen on the front here, but we don't really need the LCD screen, so we can just stick our nails under here, pull this entire thing off. We don't need that. We can also get rid of the steel here. We can save it for later if we want. And we should get a nice little phone circuit board with two big strips of gold over here. Next we're going to want to just rip off any wires. You probably won't have these wires on yours because I use this phone for another project. Then what we're going to do is, depending on how big the arrowhead you want, we're just going to cut a triangle using a pair of scissors out of this circuit board here. I'm just going to go all the way up here, and then I'm going to come down from the bottom over this side. I'm going to come all the way back up on a nice sharp angle until we have this nice looking pointy stick here, which is going to make an excellent arrowhead for us. Next we're probably just going to want to make it a little bit neater. We can probably take this battery charger, ignore that, probably just going to want to take this battery charging thing over here, and we can just rip that off like so, because we don't want that sticking out to make a horrible uneven surface on here. Once we've done that, we can just go ahead and make a diamond shape. I might need to go get some more scissors because these ones have now snapped. Alright, I'm back with a new pair of scissors. Hopefully they don't meet the same fate. And then we can go ahead here. I'd recommend making a nice little diamond pattern, something like this. Make it nice and even. And now we have a nice lethal pointy little spiky phone circuit board arrowhead. We can also probably cut a couple of notches out of the base here so that we could wrap say copper wire or something around the arrowhead and sort of secure it in place a little better. If you want to, you can even make 2 notch points. I would normally only make 1, but you can also do a little notch point above the flat piece of the diamond shape here. Just going to make a little notch out of here so we can then wrap the copper wire around there. And we now have a perfectly functional arrowhead from a phone circuit board. There's many benefits to making an arrowhead out of your phone circuit board. First one being, you will no longer be distracted scrolling on your phone. You now have an arrowhead and you have to go outside because your phone is now destroyed. And also there should be enough space on the circuit board for you to even make a few more of these. You can also make a couple more smaller ones going in the opposite direction. We do want to get a nice straight line on here as well. I don't want to have a curved edge so much, because that's not going to be as good. You can also go ahead, I like to cut it off right before the highly populated area of the circuit board, because the highly populated area has a bunch of stuff sticking out of it. You don't really want that. Once you've got this, you can go ahead and make a couple more, and they're super fast to make. Not that hard to really quickly turn a phone into arrowheads. There we go. And now we have just made 3 shiny, pointy, pokey arrow sticky heads, which you can use to make arrows. Alternatively, should you not need arrowheads, you can use them as guitar picks. You might want to make them a little less sharp, but you can use them as guitar picks. So yeah, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.